Mr. Koo, working in DGA, Foreign Gypsum Asia company in Sunway, doing database administration, Oracle DBA.
Hi, I'm Eng. I'm a software engineer in a consulting firm, and I'm doing civil CRM.
Hello, I'm Cody. I'm currently a SaaS BI consultant.
My name is Miao Hai Woon. I'm actually the senior manager in application product development. Our company is actually a business software solutions provider, specifically specialized in building industry. We have actually 20 years of experience. Actually, we established since 1986. Currently, we actually have 4 R&D centers within the region. One of them is actually in PJ, Malaysia.
My name is Wilu. I work as a Java developer for Cochlear Malaysia, a global leading hearing implant solution.
The IT market is always changing. We do not know what IT skills are always top-notch. However, SaaS is a worldwide software. It's being used in many different industries.
I choose this profession is because I like to play around with some logic and calculations. This is because I like math.
I've always wanted to become a programmer since I'm in secondary school. I'm fascinated by computers and what they can do. So I've decided to join the field of software development. I started off as a junior Java developer about 9 years ago. Then I become the normal Java developers. I progressed to become a senior, and currently I'm a team lead in my company.
Day to day, the software developers, engineers, what they need to do is actually there will be assignment assigned to them. We actually keep track of all these assignments, so it comes together with due dates. So basically they need to understand all the requirements and finish within the due dates. So some of them is actually given a very short due date because we also need to respond back to our customers and so on. So they need to work within the due date and they need to commit themselves. If they cannot complete on time, then perhaps they actually have to work overtime and so on. So this actually, you would say that it's unspoken rules within the software development industry, in which that if you cannot complete, you still need to try your best and work within the due date until it's finished.
There is no certainty what job or skills you obtain can promise a successful future. All I have to say is that you have to work it up hard and do your best.
Just be clear in what you want and what is your goal, and stick to your passion. As a fresh grad, you should learn everything from scratch and you will slowly build up your skills, and one day you will have your specialization skill, and then from there you will go up into a position with a much better pay.
If there's only one advice I would give to fresh graduates, I would say do what you like and like what you do, because software development is about lifelong learning. Some sees it as a burden, but if you really have passions for this field, it's always exciting and lots of new things for you to learn.
Okay. For fresh graduates, if they join our company, basically for the first year they are actually at junior level, that means junior developers. So we will try to train them as much as possible so that they are able to be independent within a year. Then after that, within 2 to 3 years, they are actually supposed to be independent by themselves. They are able to do assignment by themselves, and only after that they are considered to be maybe a management level by leading a few junior program developers. Within 5 years, you are looking at maybe a team lead level or even a manager level.
Hi, my name is Sheikh. I'm with SAS Malaysia. I'm the Director for Commercial Operations and Sales Operations.
So my name is Kotek Singh. I'm the IT Director with ON Semiconductor. Our hiring challenges are, mainly with getting good candidates with not just technical skills, but also soft skills such as communications, especially in English. Right? I think that's the international language, and for onsemi as a multinational company, having IT teams in different countries, English communication is definitely a very important skills. And also, I would say some leadership quality. So those are the challenges that we have. Basically, trying to get good candidates with good attitudes, and they don't come by too often.
And I graduated from Northumberland University, England, back in 1991. My first job was as an accountant. I graduated in business and finance. So for about 4 to 5 years, I worked as an accountant. That was in the UK. I came back to Malaysia in about 1995, and my first job in Malaysia was with SAS Computer Services, working as a implementation consultant for a financial accounting system called Sun System. So I started out as a consultant and eventually worked my way to become a senior consultant, eventually to the role of pre-sales. Then I moved on to a company called BAN, which was an ERP systems company. I was there for about 4 to 5 years. From pre-sales, became a commercial sales manager. So I evolved from an accounting base to a pre-sales person into a commercial salesperson. And then in 2004, I joined SAS, where I am currently in my role as the commercial director for sales.
So we basically have two main technology for custom development, Java and .NET. We also run a lot of package software, more specifically Oracle. We have Oracle EBS. We have Oracle Fusion Middleware. We have Oracle Business Intelligence. And also we have Oracle PDM Agile, the product development management software. And also other packages such as planning software from JDA. So I would say those are the main talents, the main group of people that we have here in KL office for onsemi IT.
Typically, what myself, I'm looking for in a new candidate, things like the customer attention of the candidate. So typically, because the candidate needs to demonstrate values around being customer driven, needs to have values around swift and agility. He needs to be approachable. He needs to be trustworthy, more importantly, and at the same time needs to be creative and innovative in his approach.
For fresh grads, once you guys get hired as analyst programmer, that's the starting level that we have. The next level is definitely moving on to senior analyst programmer, and then from that point onwards, the candidate, the employee can decide whether they want to stay on the technical ladder, on the technical side, or they want to get into management. So they can go into section head, they can go into section manager, and so on and so forth. Right? So that's very typical progression for a lot of IT people. We do have people that stay on the technical side, and they will continue to build on their technical skills and provide technical leadership to global on IT.
My advice to any future candidates: there's never a substitute for hard work. Hard work always comes, and with that comes rewards. So work hard and play smart.
So the important traits are definitely good analytics skill, good problem-solving skills, and like I said earlier, communications. It is very, very important that you are able to pick up the phone or call into a conference call and then communicate effectively with people around the world, or IT people and our business folks around the world. Other traits such as time management. You probably have to understand how to manage your own time, how to manage your work, and as well as I think having good interpersonal skills. Right, that's also very good traits to have. You can interact with successfully, or better with people from all kinds of cultures and all kinds of backgrounds and different countries. So those are all the skills, traits that are important, to us. Okay, I think for fresh graduates, definitely try to understand yourself in terms of your skill sets, what you're good at, what you need to work on. Try to get an understanding of your career path as early as possible, right? What do you want to be, right? What do you want to do? What do you have passion, in doing, right? Because that will help, you with, the career that you want to build. And definitely work hard, work smart. That's something that is required. Nothing comes free, right? There's no free lunch, as people say it, right? So you definitely have to put in the effort. You definitely have to put in the time and all the work that you have to get done and deliver good results. So those are all the advice, hopefully that will help everybody. Thank you.